Hey there, Candace and Whitney here. We're going to show you guys how to make some lip balm using all natural ingredients. And we use beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter, as well as a little bit of vitamin E. And we are adding
grapefruit oil and lavender essential oil.
Yep. So
yes, so if you're watching this video, you're going to see just how easy it is to make your own lip balm. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, I just did hot water. I did owe before last week or the month before. Two of them were broken. It was just, the box was all wet. Okay, so after you pour them into the tubes, you can actually put it in the fridge if you want it to set up a lot quicker, but they're all done. Got them out, and you can put your little lids on there and print cute little labels if you want to.
Here's the finished product, just that easy.